Your words have power. And when I created more videos on power of words, the words you use against money, negative words about money, is what you are today. Some people say, I don't have money. I'm not earning enough. I'm already in the debt. I'm already having huge loan. The moment you keep on saying this kind of negative words, you will never make money. Because your words create your world. Speak prosperity. Speak abundance. Use the rich words. I have enough money. I am making enough money. I will get enough money. Keep on saying this. You will see a change. So what is the science behind this? As I keep saying, money is an uneasy. Never work for money. Make money work for you.